Hi there guys, just wanted to jump on here quick to let you know about a new group that I've created called Wealth Series. This is linked in the description on this post, and it's something that I'll probably be inviting you to over the next couple of days. I'm going to be hosting 5 lives during the early part of January 2022 in relation to wealth and the truth about wealth, and dispelling a whole bunch of the basically nonsense that was taught quite early on back in 2006 when all of the law of attraction materials came out. So from January 1st, I'm going to be hosting a live a day for the next 5 days, and I'm going to go real deep into this for you so that you can find out the truth about this, and join me and everyone that's been finding out about this information in the run-up to this year, because I think you guys are going to enjoy this. It's going to be really cool for wealth and making this year the best possible year you can possibly have. Talking about the energetics and the truth behind the secret that was never actually told. So join me in the group. I'm going to link it in this post so you've got direct access. Just like the page and you'll find all the information in there about how to get into the group. I'll probably send an invite at the same time as well for you guys. And yeah, have a great new year. Happy Christmas again for the festive season, and wishing you the very best in 2022. Alright guys, cheers. Bye.